What's the meaning of acronym? Acronym. 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 An acronym is a word formed from the initial letters of a name or phrase, with those letters pronounced together as a single term. For example, NASA is an acronym for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Acronyms are often used in place of lengthy titles or phrases, making them useful for creating quick and memorable shorthand communication among individuals or groups. They are commonly found in technical fields such as science, engineering, and medicine, but are also used in everyday language. The use of acronyms can facilitate efficient and effective communication, but it is important to ensure that they are widely understood by all parties involved.